After booking a meeting for student mentoring, you will receive an email from your student mentor at least 24 hours in advance. In this email, you'll be provided with a Zoom link, meeting ID, and password. To enter the meeting, you can either use the Zoom link or go to zoom.com and type in the meeting ID and password. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Zoom link. After clicking the link, you'll be redirected to Zoom, where it'll ask you to download the Zoom app. So this can be downloaded on your phone or mobile device as well as your laptop. And after you download the app, you can go ahead and click Open. And then after opening the app, you'll click Join with Computer Audio or Mobile Device Audio, and you'll be in the meeting. And when you're in the meeting, just some features of Zoom is you have your Information Meeting tab where it has all the details of the meeting, as well as the mute button if you want to make sure that you're not talking when the speaker is, as well as stop video. So that can also prevent you from showing your face during the meeting. However, during meetings, we do want to be able to see each other's face, so please feel free to keep your video on unless you're unable to at the time. And there's also a chat bar feature if you would like to type out any messages or share any files with us, as well as a share screen feature. So in this feature, you'll be able to choose which screen you'd like to share, such as if you have a certain document open or a certain tab, it'll show you any kind of tabs that you can share with your partner or your meeting, as well as whiteboards and other cool features. You can also choose to record the meeting, but please ask for consent prior to recording. And another feature is reactions. Just something fun if you want to clap or give each other a thumbs up. When using a mobile device for Zoom, you will still have all the same features as on a computer. However, the layout will differ. For example, screen sharing. Screen sharing, you would click the green button, then screen, and then last, start broadcast. Then you will be able to share your phone screen with the meeting. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Zoom.